TOEFL Writing Mastery. Dive into sample tasks. Hello learners. Welcome to another exciting lesson on TOEFL preparation. Today, we'll be diving deep into the sample, integrated and independent writing tasks. If you're aiming for a high score in the TOEFL writing section, this video is crucial for you. Let's jump in. The integrated writing task asks you to read a passage, listen to a short lecture, and then write an essay in response to what you have read and heard. Let's break this down. 1. Reading time. You will be given 3 minutes to read a passage which is around 250 to 300 words. 2. Listening time. After reading, you'll listen to a short lecture which relates to the reading passage. 3. Writing time. You'll have 20 minutes to draft your response. Remember to summarize the main points from both the reading and the lecture. Pro tip: don't just repeat information. Instead, focus on how the lecture relates to the reading, either supporting or challenging the points made. For the independent writing task, you'll be given a prompt and asked to provide your own perspective on it. Here's what you need to know. 1. Prompt. This is typically a statement or a question on general topics, like life experiences, societal issues, or personal preferences. 2. Time. You have 30 minutes to plan, write, and revise your essay. 3. Length. Aim for around 300 words. Make sure to have a clear introduction, body paragraphs, and a conclusion. Pro tip: structure is your best friend. Organize your thoughts and ensure each paragraph has one clear idea or argument. Practice is key. The more you practice, the more familiar you become with the test format and how to approach the questions. Here's a strategy. 1. Simulate the real test. Always time yourself when practicing. 2. Review. After writing, review your essay. Check for grammatical errors, sentence structure, and clarity. 3. Feedback. If possible, get feedback from teachers or peers. Pro tip: use templates for both integrated and independent essays. This will help you save time and structure your essays effectively. There you have it. A concise guide on sample, integrated and independent writing tasks for the TOEFL. Remember, preparation and practice are essential. With dedication and the right strategies, you'll be well on your way to achieving a great score in the TOEFL writing section. Happy studying, and see you in the next video.